Hi ladies, welcome to the second video in our customer questions series. So over the years we've gotten a lot of questions from the customers and we've compiled some frequently asked ones. Today we're going to talk about the question of, do you really make these? So a lot of people ask us that, especially if you've seen us in person. You know we have quite a display, quite a variety, and a lot of quantity with the different bands that we do. I'm going to show you today some of the beads that I get in bulk that help build out some of those bands. You're going to be able to see pretty obviously that we do in fact make these by hand. So this is an example of our Aquatica band, and I'm just showing an example down at the bottom that we do get those beads in on a strand for the focal piece. And that would be kind of a starting point for a band like this when we make them. Some other examples of beads that I would incorporate in a band would be some of the basic standard elements. So I, for my own sanity, organize those by color. So I have different racks and trays of colored beads. You can see a variety of different purples that I could choose from here, some different blues that I would choose from here in this tray. Another standard element to a lot of our bands would be some type of crystal or sparkly, blingy kind of element. And you can see here a large quantity of a standard type of crystal that goes into a number of our bands as well. We also include some different metal bead elements to different bands. So an example here of some swirl beads and some barrel beads, and the quantity that we get those in, obviously wholesale, to create the bands. And then we have some spacer beads here, as well as the common, those lobster clasps that are on the end of all of our bands. We do obviously get those in bulk from the manufacturer as well. And then all of our bands are strung on the stretchy cord that all you guys are familiar with. Just a couple basic tools. I have hundreds of tools, but these are some of the basic ones that I would use to put together a basic band. So you can see the variety and the quantity here of the materials, that these are obviously kind of being put together here in the studio. Hopefully that helps answer any questions that you have. Stay tuned for other videos. We're going to give you an actual tour of the studio soon, and we'll hope to see you later. Thanks, ladies.